Hey, this is Rich once again from TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in. Today's poster wants to know how to color correct their photo. So what I did is got duplicate photos right here. First of all, the very most simplest way is by using auto color correction. And this is a really neat thing that Photoshop Elements has. What you do first is you come right up here to Enhance and look down here, Auto Color Correction. Now watch the photo. Boom, there it is. It's been fixed. You can tweak it a little bit after that, but that's a pretty good start. Let's try the other way here, adjust for skin tone. So what you do is you go to Enhance, come down to Adjust Color, and then over on the right here, come down to Adjust Color for Skin Tone. This is going to change the whole tone of the whole photo. It gives you a little eyedropper here. And all we have to do is come over here and look for a nice piece of skin here and drop it, and that changes the whole photo here. From there, you can take the temperature lighter and bring it back to the blues and the cool colors, or bring it back over here to the reds and the warm colors. Then you can adjust the tan a little bit if you want. And I like it actually better down here, right around there. So that looks pretty good. Now in this particular case, if you wanted to add a little more color, you'd go to Enhance, Color, Hue, Adjust Hue and Saturation, and watch the photo. I can take the color out, or I can add a little more color overall. It's that easy. Anyway, that's just two ways to add color or to adjust color temperature of your photos. This is Rich calling it quits, saying over and out.